My name is Witness Ulomi, and here is my mother, Flora Nkya. We come here India for 3 months ago now. When we come here, mother's the situation, they have a tumor brain, and we face the symptoms of head, seizure, and they cannot walk, they cannot talk. So when we meet Dr. Rahul, we take some samples. After finish all the procedure, doctor they suggest for operation. Then we do operation and is successful here at Fortis Noida. And the experience of this hospital is also good. We get good treatment, also good help for Dr. Rahul help us, and Manza get good treatment, and now they can talk, they can walk. After finishing surgery, we wait for 1 month, then we do radiation, and the radiation was successful. So we thanks for Fortis at Noida and Dr. Rahul, very helpful. And now we plan to go back to my country, Tanzania. So I'm very happy. My mom's situation now is good. And now they can walk and can talk. So thanks to God.